Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas fireplace mantle decoration ideas. Your fireplace mantle in the heart of your living room at Christmas time to create a warm and classical look. Start with a lash green garland made of pin or fire. Let it flow gently across the mantle. Add bright red ornaments, poinsettia, and a big velvet bow for a bold, festive touch. Place golden bells or small candles along the garland to bring it in a little spark. To finish, hang matching red and green stocking under the mantle. This timeless style never goes out of fashion and makes your living room feel truly merry and bright. Winter wonderland mantle. Turn your fireplace mantle into a snow scene with a winter wonderland. Then use a forest garland or spray artificial snow or fresh greenery. Add silver ornaments with flowers and sparkling snowflakes. Place the tail with the candle or fairy lights across the mantle of creative a soft glow. For extra charm, add little reindeer or snowman's. This mantle look calm, peaceful, and elegant, like a snow night right inside your home. If you love a cozy farmhouse vibe, go for a rustic mantle. This Christmas start with a nature garland of pine branches, pine cones, and twigs. Add burlap bob or ribbon for a country feel. Place lantern or wooden candles holder on each side of the mantle for a charming touch. Hang kitchen stocking and add a string of feel welcoming, homely, and perfect for family gathering by the fire. Golden gleam mantle. Bring luxury into your living room with the golden crispy mantle. Use a green garland as your base, then fill it with golden ornaments, glittery leaves, and sparkling ribbon. Place tell golden candles holder on each side of the mantle for balance. A few wide this flower will soften the look and make it elegant at night. The lights will reflect on the golden sand and make the wall room glowing with holiday glamour. Santa workshop and make your mint fun and playful with Santa workshop theme. Start with a garland and candy canes, little toy ornaments and colorful bubbles. Hang stocking with bright patterns and place small gift boxes along the mantle. Add a center figure in the center of even a small train set for extra magic. This cheerful look is especially great if you have kids. It feels like Santa will come down the chimney any moment.